Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Fire HD8 Kit Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level manually. Then you can enable or disable dark theme, blue shade, and adaptive brightness. Next, you can change wallpaper, set screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.